Good morning students. Welcome to Alchemy online classes. Today we are going to discuss very interesting topic from your grammar, subject verb agreement. We have already discussed verb in our previous video. You just go and visit once again for having a good knowledge of it, and today we will discuss subject verb agreement. Clear? Let us see first of all the main points and the points of this chapter. Clear? So first of all, first point, a verb must agree with its subject. The verb must always agree with its subject. Second, a singular noun takes a singular verb with it. A plural noun takes a plural verb with it. That means what? Singular noun, singular subject, singular verb. Then plural noun, plural verb. Clear? Then what happens? Third point, a singular noun takes singular verb with it, and a plural pronoun takes a plural verb with it. That means what? Singular pronoun takes singular verb and plural takes plural verb. Clear? Next one, with the pronoun you, we. Always use plural verb. With the pronoun you and we, always use plural verb. Clear? And let us see first point, a verb far moved from the subject. Many times you might have seen that the subject is the verb and the subject are placed very close to each other, but in many cases it happens that they are placed very far. Clear? Let us see at that time what happens. Usually the verb is placed very close to its subject, so we can easily ensure that the two that agrees with each other, but we have to be careful with the use of the verb if it is far removed from its subject. What happens? Let us see with an example. The condition of these books is not good. So this is an example. The condition of this book is not good. So first we are going to identify the verb. So you can see here in this sentence the subject is the condition and not books. That means what? Here condition is the subject in this sentence. Clear? This is the subject. So the verb agrees with the subject condition. I hope it is clear to you. Remember one more thing. The verb should agree with the actual subject, not the word placed just before it. Clear? Let us move to the next one. Introductory there. That means what? In the beginning of the sentence, if the sentence is introducing with there, at the time what you have to do? In the sentence beginning with there, the verb is placed before the subject. That means what? The verb is placed before the subject if the sentence is starting with there. First one, you can see the example here. There are 11 players in a cricket team. So you can see the sentence here very clearly. Played, and for that we have used are. Clear? Two singular subjects joined with and. When two singular subjects are joined with and, at the time what you have to do? So first thing, if the subject consists of two or more singular noun or pronouns joined with and, it takes plural verb, because we are talking about two different singular things. Clear? So you can see the example here. Rekha and Madhu are sisters. So here I have joined with and I have used here plural form. Clear? Let us move to the next one. Next one, with as well as. So in the sentence, if you are getting with and as well as, so at that time what you are going to do? Let us see. When the subject consists of two or more pronouns joined with or as well as, the verb agrees with the first of them. That means whatever is given in the beginning of the sentence, based on that we will add the verb. Let us see the example here. The captain with all the player is present in the ground. So I am talking about captain here. So it is singular, so I will use singular verb. Clear? But in the second sentence you see all the players. So players I am representing here plural. So I will use here plural verb. Clear? All the players with the captain are present in the ground. Clear? So we are going to see the first beginning of the sentence, that whether it is a singular or a plural. Based on that we will use proper verb. Clear? Let us see the next one. Each, either, neither, everyone, one of you. When these words are coming in the sentence, what you are going to do? Let us see. We are going to take a singular verb. When these words are coming, each, neither, either, everyone, one of you. So this is called, when these words are coming, so at that time we will use singular verb. Okay. Example, like teacher is calling from a whole group of students, she is calling, one of you come with me. So one of you, so it is showing singular. Clear? So we will use singular for these words. Let us see an example here. Each of these sisters sings well. Next one, either of two candidate is perfect for job. So either is given and we have used here singular. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. Let us see the next one. Each or either or, neither nor. If these words are coming in the sentence, at the time what you are going to do? Let us see. When these two subjects are connected with either or neither, either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the later subject. That means you are going to see the later subject. That means the last one. Clear? Let us see. Either the manager or the employees were telling a lie. That means what? We are going to see the second one. First one is manager. We are not going to see this one. We are going to see the second one, that is employee. So we have used here were, plural form of it. Clear? Next one. Neither the moon nor the stars are shining. Moon is here representing singular, but we are not going to see the moon. We are going to see the later one. That means the second one. So based on that, we are using plural form. Clear? Let us see the next one. Much, a little. Take a single verb. That means what? Much and a little. When it is coming in the sentence, you are going to use singular verb. Many, a few, several, both. Take a plural verb. That means what? When these words are coming, many, a few, several, then we are going to use plural form of it. Clear? Let us see an example. Many of these students were absent yesterday. Several of the shops are closed today. So I hope this is clear to you. For extra mark, please visit Diksha. For extra content, please visit Extra Mark app and Diksha app, where you can get the whole topic. Thank you for the day. Take care.